Welcome back. Today we are examining the Texas Foreclosure Leads template, designed for real estate lead extraction. This workflow is fully automated. The N8N agent generates the required dates itself. The process involves navigating to the Texas recording website and selecting the Lis Pendens document type. After defining the date range and executing the search, the bot extracts critical information, including the file number, from the search results. Let's review the Run tab. The agent successfully executed the predefined steps. Once the output has been validated and the results are verified, we can proceed. In the N8N setup, I have provided detailed notes for clarity. The process begins with a Telegram trigger. An AI agent analyzes the message. If the user isn't requesting leads, a switch node routes the flow to a general chat agent. If the request is for leads, the top path is activated. The system notifies the user and uses two date and time nodes, one for today's date and one for 5 days ago. These dates are then passed to a code node to format them specifically for the BrowserAct search requirements. Next, a merge node is used to synchronize the workflow paths. Once all data is prepared, the BrowserAct node is triggered. Template marketplace workflows are available. Also, we are manually defining the input parameters here to maintain precise control over the lead extraction. The extracted data is then sent to an AI agent for analysis and formatting into HTML-based Telegram posts. By utilizing structured output, we maintain data consistency. If the content exceeds Telegram's limits, it is divided, passed through a split node, and processed individually via a loop. We include a wait node to prevent rate-limiting issues. The final results are delivered to the user using the chat ID captured from the Telegram trigger. Here is the final output. The structured format ensures that the data is easy to navigate and interpret. A link to download the assets is included. Please ensure you are logged in to access them. Thank you for watching.